Hey friends, it's Ashley and today I'm here with a look at the Studio Calico December City Sidewalks Traveler's Notebook Kit. This is the brand new Traveler's Notebook Kit for December, and I wanted to go through an unboxing with you just to show you what's included in this month's kit. So let's open it up and get started to see what all we have. This kit has a lot of bright colors this month, which I really like. And starting out, we have a masking tape, kind of washi tape that might be difficult to see, but it has kind of like a little abstract kind of asterisk star pattern, and it's a very thin washi tape. The one included in last month's kit was a little bit thicker, but you can see that this is a much skinnier tape, and I like that it's the masking tape. I really like the masking tape look in my Traveler's Notebook. So that is really cute, and I like that it's a different size from last month's, that you get the skinnier size, so you have a variety to work with. Next up, there is a little ticket pack. This just kind of has some different sizes. Let's see, and this is by Golden Wood Company, who is Marcy Penner. And there are lots of different designs in here. So you have some smaller ones. This one's kind of shaped like a little postage stamp, which is cute. And then you just have a variety of kind of ticket shapes here. I really like these. You could stamp on these if you wanted to. You could write your journaling. You could stamp your date. So you can see there are a lot of choices in here. And I like that it has the ticket size, and then it also has this larger ticket stub size here in the pack also. Then we get to our stickers for this month. This is just kind of some label type stickers, and there are always two in the pack. Let me get this other one out. So these are kind of a bright yellow color, which I really like because yellow is my favorite color. These would also be fun to stamp on or to journal on. You could add other little like phrases or cutouts if you wanted to, so you get both sheets of those. And I like that there's a lot of different shapes for the stickers. And then we have our other little pack here. These are more kind of die cuts rather than stickers. This is just one sheet here. So you can kind of just punch these out. They're perforated. Let's see, they are sticky on the back, so they are stickers. But they're a little bit thicker than the ones here. And they have some different little things here with some phrases that say today, funny, my story, dream, let's get real. And then you have the Y and M for yes and no, AM and PM. And then I like that it has all these different shapes. So you have banners, like a long extended kind of oval shape, arrow, half circles. So this would be really fun. You can get a lot of different uses out of this little sticker sheet here. And then there is a pack of hearts. Always love hearts. You can never go wrong with hearts. And there are two of these, and they are shades of blue. So you have kind of a teal, a light blue, more of maybe like a cornflower blue, a little bit more of a royal blue, and then a navy. And some of these have patterns. There's stripes, a grid, polka dots. And then some of them have words like shine, fearless, notable, today, dreamer, calm. So those are really cute. I like those. I like that you can mix it up and use either some that just have the patterns, or you can use some that have the words. And I love those colors that it's the blue this month. And then the stamp set for this month that's included is really cute. It is kind of larger. Some of the other stamp sets have been smaller kind of images. This one has two larger images, Simply Amazing, and then the ampersand. I really like this ampersand. You could stamp it over and over again to create a background. You could use it in part of a title. You could also stamp it onto a different paper and then fussy cut it out. So there's lots of things that you can do with this. So I'm really looking forward to using the ampersand in the December kit. And now let's get to the insert, and you can see that it has some bright rainbow colors that match these colors that we've looked at in the stickers and on the tickets. And the front cover is just a navy with white stars and then a little rainbow strip down the front. And so getting to the inside, they always usually have a grid or white piece starting out at the beginning. And then this is just kind of a notebook lined paper, but instead of being white, it's more of like a cream kind of color, like a tannish color. So I really like that. And this is fun. It's kind of just a map paper, kind of an abstract map. And I like how on the streets it has some words that say like keep going, start here, stay focused, on the right track. So that's really cute. I like that a lot. If you're traveling during the holiday season, this would be a fun page to document maybe you're traveling. And this one, Wish You Were Here, would also be perfect for documenting any traveling that you're doing. So you have a lot of space here to add photos. You could use the stamp on this page. That would be really cute. And then this one is just a polka dot and a solid, and it kind of matches these colors of the hearts here that we already looked at. So I really like this one. It's kind of simple, but you could do a lot with this page. And then a multicolored polka dot. This picks up a lot of the colors from the little tickets here and brings that in on that pattern paper, so that's really fun also. And then here you have another page that has the tickets. Now if you did not want to use this in your traveler's notebook as is, you could actually cut these pages out. And then if you wanted to, you could just either leave it, or you could tape the pages together after you cut these out if you wanted to do that. And then you could just have extra tickets for this month if you wanted to do that. So that would give you some extra pieces of those. And I really like this one with the stars at the top. You could use this for a lot of different things. Stars are always a great embellishment because they can kind of go with everything, like holidays, birthdays, every day. So boy layouts, girl layouts. So stars are perfect for just pretty much any type of layout. And then here we have kind of like another ledger type design, and this one goes across the same on both sides, and it has the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for your days of the week. And this one is cool. It's really a subtle pattern, just kind of a yellow with kind of a orangish, if I can get that out, kind of stripe that goes across it. And I like that it's the stripe with the grid pattern, so that's really cool. I like both of those together. And then bringing in a green, and it says this is totally amazing. So I like how these give you a lot of like white space here if you want to add your photos or journaling or however you want to do that. Then you have your rainbow paper here, which is the same that's on the front of the album. Always got to have a rainbow paper, and this is actually the middle of the insert. So this is your center section here. And next, another kind of list paper. So lots of like notebook type paper designs in this month's kit. I like that it has these lines. These are good for journaling or adding stickers or anything like that that you want to add. And it just has a list of, and it has 1 through 15. So if you like making lists, this would be a fun page. And this is a little different. I like this one. It is kind of a black background with a bokeh effect on it. So that's really cool. This would be perfect for like some Christmas light photos. I really like how it has that bokeh look. So that would really go great with something like that, or New Year's Eve party kind of celebration type thing. And this is a cool one also. This is kind of new. They've done some kind of designs in the other inserts with a burst design, but this one is kind of in the center. So you could do some small photos like out around the center part if you wanted to. You could journal like around the circle. So lots of different options. You could stamp in between some of these little rays going out. So lots of fun ideas for that page. And then this one is cool. I like that it is turned. And this one says, is it Friday yet? And I like the pink color with the red, so that's really cute. And this is another rainbow. It is kind of a chevron going down. I really like this one. I always have a favorite that I would say I would want in 12 by 12 pattern paper, and this would probably be it. I really like that one. I like the colors and just the design of that page. And then we have another stripe. This is a diagonal stripe paired with the grid. So this one is just kind of a simple page. You could do pretty much anything on this one that you wanted to do. And then you have the stars. You could put like a journaling card. If you get the Documenter kit, there's usually always some great 3x4 cards. This would be a great place to put one of those if you wanted to, or your photo. And then this one says The Wonder of It All, and it has a pink kind of background with little green dots going across. So that's kind of like another list or lined paper that you could use. And this one is really fun, and it has a quote by one of my favorite poets. It says, "It is a happiness to wonder, it is a happiness to dream," by Edgar Allan Poe. And it's kind of a dark blue color, like a royal blue. And so that's really fun. I like that it has the quote printed on it. And then our last page has the big ampersand. And so I really like this. You could use this side, and then if you wanted to, you could stamp the ampersand for a background over on this other grid side. That would be really cute idea. Or like I said, you could stamp it and fussy cut it out and have it like a background here in the insert notebook. So that is a look at the December kit. I will leave a link to the subscription for this in the description box below if you want to check it out. And there's also the stamp subscription, which I also signed up for, and I do not have that yet because it will come when the other orders for December ship out. And there's also the Documenter kit. If you want to check that one out, I'll leave a link to it. Also, I don't have a subscription to that one, but every once in a while I will order it just to have some extra things if I feel like I need it for the month. So I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing for the December kit. If you liked the video, I hope you will leave me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to become a new subscriber. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.